Hey, I'm Jay from NetDix. Is the wheel strategy good for beginners? That's a great question. And today I'm going to show you exactly how the wheel strategy works, why it can be beginner friendly, when you make money, and where you can still lose money. Because the honest answer is yes, the wheel strategy can be good for beginners, but only if you understand what you're really signing up for. Because the wheel strategy gets talked about like it's a piece of cake income strategy, and in some ways it is. The idea is straightforward. You sell a cash secured put on a stock you'd be willing to own. If you get assigned, you buy 100 shares. Then you sell covered calls against those shares. If the stock gets hauled away, you go right back to selling puts and start over. And that's the wheel. And that's exactly why so many newer traders like it. It gives you a repeatable structure, it uses two relatively simple option strategies, and it forces you to think step by step. But of course, like always, there is a catch. The wheel is only beginner friendly if you use it on stops you actually want to own and if you understand the real risk isn't the option. The real risk is the stop dropping. So for example, let's use Starbucks, ticker SBUX. Here's a screenshot of the options chain so you can see the math. SBUX is trading at $102.77 per share, and we're looking at the July 17th, 2026 expiration. On the put side, the 100 strike put is trading for about $2.92. So let's assume you sell one SBUX July 17th, 2026 100 put for a $2.92 premium. Since one contract controls 100 shares, you collect $292 upfront. And because it's cash secured, you need to have enough cash set aside to buy 100 shares at $100 or $10,000 total. From here, everything comes down to where SBUX is on July 17th. If SBUX closes above $100, the put expires worthless. So you keep the $292, you don't buy the shares, and that's a winning trade. That right there is one reason beginners like the wheel. The trade is simple, the outcome is clear, and you know exactly what you're trying to accomplish. But let's take a look at the other side. If SBUX closes below $100, you can be assigned, and that means you buy 100 shares at $100 per share. But because you had already collected $2.92 in premium, your effective cost basis is really $97.08 per share. So now the wheel moves to the covered call side. Using the same July 17th, 2026 chain in our screenshot, the 105 strike call is trading for about $6.15. So once you own the shares, let's say you sell one 105 call and collect another $615. If SBUX stays below $105, you collect the premium, or you keep the premium and keep the shares. Then you can sell another covered call and keep the wheel going. If SBUX rises above $105, your shares can get called away at $105. And this is where the wheel works exactly the way beginners hope it will. You collect the $2.92 on the put, then you collected $6.15 from the covered call, and that's $9.07 in total premium. And so if your shares get sold at $105 after being assigned at an effective basis of $97.08, that's another $7.92 per share in stock profit. So the whole cycle can work very well when the stock cooperates. But now, here's the part beginners need to make sure they understand. The wheel isn't free money. So the premium helps, but it doesn't eliminate stock risk. So let's say that you sell that 100 put for $2.92 and SBUX drops to $90. Your break even is $97.08. So even after collecting the premium, you're still down $7.08 per share or $708 total. But you still own the stock and continue selling covered calls against it. The wheel gives you some cushion, but it doesn't protect you from a real drop in the stock. So is the wheel strategy good for beginners? Yes, it absolutely can be. It's one of the easier to understand option strategies out there. It has a clear process, it can generate cash flow, and it teaches newer traders how assignment, cost basis, and covered calls all fit together. But it's only a good beginner strategy when you understand that you're still taking downside stop risk. Now you've seen how the wheel works, why beginners like it, when you make the money, and where you can absolutely still lose money. If you want to learn more ways to generate cash flow with options, please click the link below and download the free options report. And don't forget to like and subscribe.